In today's video, we're diving into a tool that turns raw text, reports, and research into beautiful professional PDFs with just a few clicks. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you're tired of ugly reports, clunky PDFs, or wasting hours formatting client deliverables, I've got something to share with you today. Today, we're diving into Typeset. And if you create decks, white papers, case studies, or even social graphics, and you want to save time without sacrificing quality, you're going to want to see this. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Typeset? Typeset is a browser-based content design platform. Think of it like a simplified blend of Google Docs and Canva, built specifically for long-form content like click reports, pitch decks, media kits, and research summaries. Instead of wasting hours adjusting margins in Word or fiddling with text boxes in PowerPoint, Typeset gives you tools that feel like writing in a document, but automatically formats everything into a polished designer-level layout. And the best part is it's powered by smart features like AI-generated headlines, formatting shortcuts, auto layout tools, and an ever-growing library of templates you can use right away. So before we get into the walkthrough, let's break down the main features of Typeset and what actually makes it different from just using Google Docs, Canva, or Notion. Number one is a clean, minimalistic editor that feels very familiar. So when you first open a new project, you're dropped into a clean editor that feels like Google Docs or Notion. It's intuitive and distraction-free. You don't have to learn some complex design interface or figure out how to drag layers. You just start typing. Every element you add, a headline, a paragraph, an image, a list, is handled like a structured block that knows how to arrange itself. So you can focus on the content while Typeset handles the layout. Number two is AI that works with you, not against you. So Typeset includes AI tools that are actually helpful, not overwhelming. If you type a basic headline and want something punchier, press tab and it gives you title alternatives that match your tone. If you need help fleshing out a section, use the / command and choose AI mode. You can type a keyword or sentence and it will auto-generate a paragraph of supporting content. You can accept it as is or tweak it to fit your voice. The AI works within the structure of your document, keeping everything formatted and aligned. You're not stuck copy-pasting from ChatGPT or other tools. It's all right inside the document. Number three is the / menu for layout, media, and embeds. One of the most powerful features of Typeset is the / menu. It gives you instant access to dozens of design blocks and integrations without ever leaving your document. You can drop in charts and graphs with editable data, social media blocks like Instagram or Twitter embeds, logo walls, which is great for client decks or as seen in sections. You can meet the team layouts. You can embed tools like Miro, Figma, or Loom. There are buttons, polls, GIFs, and even real-time feedback forms. You can just type what you want, like chart, quote, YouTube, or poll, and it instantly drops in a formatted block. You edit the content and Typeset does the layout. Number four is Magic Wand Auto Layout for smarter design. When your page is ready, you can click the Magic Wand icon and Typeset will instantly suggest layout upgrades. These include more balanced text-image combinations, dynamic spacing, and better visual hierarchy. If you've added an image, Typeset intelligently adapts the page layout to accommodate it without you needing to move anything manually. You can swap out images with a single click using Unsplash on the free plan or Getty Images on the Pro plan. You can also upload your own and Typeset will adapt the layout around them, not the other way around. Number five is 80 plus professional templates ready to customize. If you don't want to start from scratch, Typeset's inspiration gallery has over 80 polished templates covering case studies, press kits, research decks, social media summaries, team profiles, product or feature announcements. Each template is modular, so you can pull in just one page like a meet the team or a data summary slide without replacing your whole project. This makes it easy to mix and match layouts that fit your content needs. Number six is flexible themes and branding. So Typeset lets you change your entire visual theme with one click. You can choose from preset themes like Dusk, Stealth, or Classic, or create a custom one. In the style panel, you can update fonts, font sizes, and color palettes. This makes it easy to match your brand guidelines or switch between visual styles depending on the client. Everything updates automatically so you're not reformatting each block manually. Number seven is multi-format export options. So one of the best things about Typeset is that you're not locked into one format. When you're done, you can export your project as a PDF for sharing, a PowerPoint file for live presentations, a PNG image for social media, a private or public web link that clients can view online. Even better, Typeset automatically reformats your content for different use cases. So the same project can be resized and exported as an Instagram graphic or a LinkedIn carousel with minimal extra effort. Number 8 is always saved cloud-based work. So all of your projects are saved in the cloud. You don't have to worry about losing progress or emailing yourself PDFs. When you want to edit or update a report, just log in, open the project, and keep working. You can also present directly from Typeset. It's great for live calls or webinars. Now let's go ahead and walk through how to use it step by step so you can get your first project out the door. What you want to do first is go ahead and use our exclusive link in the description below and go ahead and create an account. Once you click that link, we'll go ahead and click start designing, and then we'll go ahead and log in. So you'll add in your email address, go ahead and click sign up, go ahead and sign in with Google. Then you'll want to go ahead and choose your plan. So they've got the basic plan, the pro plan, and the Teams Pro. And with the basic plan, it's just $19 per month. And this gets you PDF export, Unsplash image library, and 5M icons from Noun Project. With the Pro, you get even more, and this is $39 per month. And then you can add additional seats for $25 per users per month. And then there's also the Teams Pro, which is $75 per month. And with this, you get everything, and you get 3 seats per account and $20 per user per month. Okay, then you'll just enter in all of your information. Now, once you are logged in, you can describe your role, entrepreneur, business employee, or other. Go ahead and click next. Now here we can estimate our monthly sales. So we'll go ahead and select 10 to 50K a month. And now what are your goals for using Typeset? It could be save time, be more efficient, create content for my business, build an audience, create digital products to sell. Let's go ahead and click that. Now, which type of content would you like to see more of? Presentations, ebooks, reports, social media ads. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and create, and we can select deck, document, ebook, or social media. Now you can write over on the left and the slides will appear here. 5 ways to be a healthier human. So we can go ahead and use AI, or we can select a different one. We also can use a template. So maybe we want something more like this, and we can edit this. We can delete this section if we want, and then we can change the font right here. So here for the document, we can go ahead and make the text size best fit, more consistently sized, or custom. And then for titles, we can select a font right here. Subtitles, we can again select a font, and then same with the main, we can select a font. We've got that saved for the overall, and now we can go ahead and select different themes as well. So here you can see they have a bunch of different options here, maybe health. Now we can go to spacing. So do we want more white space or less white space? There's also advanced, so you can show page numbers or reduce motion and animations. And then you just start building it out from here. So here, if we click the slash, you can see we can do AI mode, image, title, bullet, poll, subtitle, accordion list, and numbered list. There's even notes, there's templates, bar charts. So there's just so much that we can do in here. Go ahead and change it to that. Let's replace search health. Cool. Love it. Insert. Perfect. Love it. Maybe even here we want to switch this up. Okay, again, we could sit here all day and do it, but let's go ahead and insert a new page or block. From here, we'll type in, let's do AI mode. This is eat more real food. And then we can add a break. We can add another section. And again, what we can do is just come directly on this page and we can see their recommendations. Love it. On to the quick tips. So again, you can kind of see how it works. You type everything out over here. You can use the AI. You can change the fonts. You can change everything. You can even switch this to a presentation too, and it automatically formats. You can also switch it to social media. And again, when you click this slash, everything comes up. So you can insert an image, a title, a bullet list, a poll, table of contents, timeline, video. So it just makes it super easy to create really cool graphics that are easily organized and easy to view. So again, you can click here to add a new page, or you can select one from a template. Maybe we want to add a statistic around weight loss or people who are overweight in the US or whatever it may be. Okay, so again, you can go ahead and change all of this over here, make it work for you, and essentially add in your ideas, and Typeset will do the rest. Then all you have to do is go ahead and you can export right here, or you can share directly as a link. So they make it really, really easy to share, or you can even present directly in here as well. So is Typeset for you? If you're still designing reports in PowerPoint or formatting PDFs manually in Canva or Docs, Typeset is going to save you hours. It's built for content creators, marketers, consultants, agencies, basically anyone who needs needs their ideas to look clean, credible, and shareable without hiring a full designer. The AI and layout features handle 90% of the design work, and the export tools make it flexible across platforms, clients, and channels. So whether you're writing a report, recapping a campaign, or pitching a proposal, Typeset can help you look like you have a full design team backing you up. If you want to check it out, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description. I do want to note that these are affiliate links, which mean we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. If you do choose to use them, we just want to thank you so much in advance because it helps us to continue to create free tutorials just like this. That wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to helping you find the best tools for streamlining your work, growing your business, and standing out online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.